Dear viewers, welcome to another video in the series of Minitab playlist. So in this video, we are going to understand about a difference function which is available in Minitab, and using difference function how we can calculate difference with a lag of 1, 2 or 3 or 4. How do we do it, and how this difference function is useful in our time series analysis and other analysis that we will do with data science. Let's get into the video. So friends, as I was explaining, in this video we will understand the function called difference. So what is this function called difference in Minitab? So Minitab helps us to calculate row-wise difference for a particular column, and that row-wise difference can be calculated with a lag of 1 or 2 or 3. So we can calculate the corresponding difference and then save the difference in a new column. Now where it is used, for example, in this case, if you see, a store manager records the number of customer complaints each month. So the number of customer complaint is in column C, and if I want to see what is the difference between the first month and second month and subsequently second month and third month, I want to see the difference. So what I can do is I can apply this difference function. Also, this difference function can be used when we are doing time series analysis, and if you want to find out the difference between certain period of data points to see the cyclic effect, or if you want to do a ARIMA model. In all these different calculations, we may have to do it. So instead of doing it in Excel and bringing the data to Minitab, Minitab gives us an opportunity to do this calculation directly in Minitab. So to give you an example here, I have a 30 data point variable data, 30 data point for 30 different time periods in column C1. So now what I do, I click on stats, I go to time series, and in time series I have an option called difference. So now I click on difference. So this difference gives us an opportunity to select the data for which we need to calculate the difference, so which is in column C1. And now I can say where I want to save this data. I want to save this data in C2, and the initial difference that I want to give is a lag of 4. So what do we mean by lag of 4? Let's click OK. So here if you see, this is my first data point, this is my fifth data point. So my fifth data point is coming after a lag of 4 data points. So what you see here is the difference between 44.3073 minus 48.9326, and that difference gives me a negative of difference minus 4.62, because this number is a smaller one and this number is a bigger one. And similarly it will calculate the difference with a lag of 4 data points. Now if I want to do it with for a lag of 3 data points, I just need to take the lag value to 3, and I can say my storage column to be C3. So if I say C3 and click OK, I get this particular data saved in C3 with a lag of 3. And similarly, if I want to do it for lag of 2, I can make this lag as 2, and I can say my storage location would be C4, and then I can create a difference data. So as I told in the beginning, this can be used for various analysis, especially time series analysis. If at all you want to understand a lag of 1, so we can copy paste this, and then we can press Ctrl E to take us to the previous screen. We will say lag of 1, and that need to be saved in C5. So I type C5 and click OK. So I get this data. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how Minitab represents the difference with a certain number of lag that you can have, difference with certain number of lag, and there you see you will be able to choose a difference with a lag of 4 or difference with a lag of 3, and thereby you can save the data and subsequently use this data for different statistical analysis that we want to do. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for your time. See you in another video.